right now at an unknown island. No one is here and I saw a house there. I heard something. We took a kayak and we're going to Forbidden Islands here in the Philippines. Don't do this. It's dangerous. We are right now in the Nido and we are renting a kayak today with the guy from 2 days ago that spoke to us. I don't know if you saw the other YouTube video, but
actually I deleted all the footage from the previous days. I love the vibe, and on the right you see we had a black hot.
We are renting a kayak and we're going to a different island. We're really adventurous. So keep to this video. I always know that adventures happen. This is like my outfit because we're going to eat. We're really smart. We know we won't have food there. So we're eating really well for breakfast and then taking some snacks with us. And water for sure. We both got sunburned yesterday, so it would be kind of hard. So, what are we doing today?
Renting a kayak.
And?
Swimming for the other islands.
Hi, baby.
And I forget to let you know that we will not be later than 7 p.m.
Okay.
We'll probably around 5 we will start heading back. I have some torchlight, so we will be visible on the sea, just in case. So we plan to do it the safe way.
Okay, so that's good. Te, pakibilihan te.
Because she was scared yesterday that she needs to turn on police to find us.
After see, may dalawa akong sinend sa'yo po dyan na ikotak.
Here he does the whole work.
Most of it. Oh, no.
Not all, most of it. And now we found the next beach, but look how beautiful it is. So you have the rocks here. Say hi. Hi, hi. Yeah, this is my paddling, like doing nothing. And then there is a house. You can't see this on camera probably, but let's walk to the beach exactly. Let him paddle to the beach.
You can walk, be like Jesus Christ.
We can walk on water with Jesus Christ.
But I prefer to turn water into wine.
What's your most preferred Jesus Christ skill? I think my favorite skill of Jesus would be to have unlimited fish.
Unlimited sushi.
Oh yeah, but like I think he has only one type of fish.
I prefer the white.
I want salmon. I love salmon and tuna and garnelen. And we're heading right now to that rock. We're gonna die. No, we're not gonna die. Anyway, see ya later. See ya later, alligator. Okay, so we arrived at the first destination. This is how it looks like in paradise. I was really afraid to film while on the canyon, but it was fine. And he's doing something. Let me come closer.
It's gonna be
Monkey business. Okay. Oh.
That's the fun I'm talking about.
Okay, well, I'm not parkouring. I'm filming.
Not monkeying.
I'm not monkeying. Yeah, that's so pretty. So tell me more about yourself.
About myself. Oh my god. I am Veronica. I'm 12 years old.
Oh, and you had to survive some kind of...
I had to survive in a jungle, forage mushrooms for myself, using a blowpipe to hunt animals. But now I'm a man. I am 30 years old. That's my transformation.
Oh, is our kayak not going away?
Hopefully.
Okay.
Here you go, madam.
I need to see like... So peaceful. Just us getting sunburned. Oh my god. How's the water? Anyways. What are you doing? Enjoying life, guys. Enjoying life. Oh, I think they wanted to kill us. I don't think so, actually, because they can't kill us. Hi. So we just arrived here and there are some dogos. Hi, babies. Oh, you look screwed. What happened to you? You look like screwed. I think they're blind. Are they blind?
No, they're okay.
It thinks that I have like a... At our second destination with some doggos. Can you see the doggos? It's a doggos. So cute. And they have post-traumatic disorder. I feel so sorry, baby. So there is a tree, if you can see it there. And let's go there. Wow. So let's see what is past that. Oh. Oh, where's our friend? Right now at an unknown island, no one is here and I saw a house there. The friend we're with, he's not here. I think we lost him actually. We're going to the house because, oh my god, there are really people there. Oh damn, let me show you. So maybe, oh my god, did someone die there? Or did someone hang themselves up? Because that looks so sketchy. Oh my god. Oh. What is this? This looks so sketchy. Okay, let's go to the house. And that tree there, guys, that tree looks just amazing. This is the house and maybe people are living there. Yeah, people, like, you can see people are living there. Damn, did you see that? That's actually so dangerous. I could have been there. Also some coconuts falling off. Okay, so we're here and I'm kind of scared because I'm alone. Guys, I'm actually really scared. I'm like really scared because I'm just... Okay, let us put this away. So if he sees me, he knows I'm inside. Let me say... I'm going inside, we're not waiting for him. Local people here, and if they're coming and they want to eat us, we are screwed. We're screwed. Is there someone inside? Like, do you think there is someone inside? I heard something. Here they're cooking. And guys, I'm so scared. Here they're cooking. They're cooking and here they have their thingies. And I'm scared. Like, I don't think there is someone inside. But there is this. This has been my dream, but I think it's broken. Hello! So we found our friend. I want to sit here, but I think it's broken. No, it's not. I can't even see this. Oh my god. Hey! He's also making content. Where have you been? I've been searching for you.
I've been up in the sky and then just strolling down the beach. And look, there's a doggo!
Yeah, there is. This is so chill.
I can see that we already make some art on the shore.
Yeah, what if I died and they know A was here?
Okay, so it's like love for electronics.
What, you go back to the kayaks?
Yep. You want to go there? I'll go back.
So here they're chilling. And here's another doggy. Dog looks so scary. But yeah, there's the tree. Just a tree in the middle of nowhere. We're approaching now that beautiful tree with the kayak that has big waves underneath. Hey! So there's the house I was to. Apparently there was no one, but I don't know what would have happened if there was someone. So I'm glad that we were alone here on this beautiful beach. Look, this looks so crazy. Oh my god. In the middle of nowhere. This. So crazy. Let's approach it. Let's approach it. Oh my god. Whee! Wow, this looks amazing. Wow. Look what's here. Oh, that's nice. There are more trees here starting to grow. Crazy. Going now to that island, next forbidden island. You can even see, and there's almost nothing there. So let's just go and then snorkel there. Maybe there's beautiful to snorkel there. Tribe of people eating people. Yeah, we're going now there. So the tree was so pretty. The tree there. He will do some crazy things now. Yo! You can see people were here. We're not the first ones on this forbidden island. Here's our kayak. We climbed the rock here and it looks kind of dangerous on the third beach on the Forbidden Islands in Philippines. And let me show you the view. Wow, amazing. You can see there the colors. Look at the colors.
And there's the house.
Look at that there. Oh yeah, and by the way, I bought for my best friends in Korea. Look, this looks so beautiful. And here, did we get here?
Ninja boy.
The monkey and the ninja boy. The tour guide who guides me today through this adventure.
And to the best views of them all.
So guys, we arrived at our last destination. This is a forbidden island because some locals live here, but we're still here because we don't harm anybody. Like this. Wow. So pretty. Here's the kayak. And there's the house, then their boats. Really interesting how they live here. Also, we can see the sunset there, like this. Yeah, it's fine.
Bro.
Oh, you can see again on my face that I was snorkeling. It's so funny. Let's get rid of that. Massaging. Wow! Oh my god, he's doing some crazy stuff. He can do so many things. Do it again.
For the camera, it never works.
Yeah.
Lens like the old gentleman in England used to wear. It's not rounded, but it does its job. I feel more important all of a sudden. Where are the peasants? I need to touch them.
Hi guys. What a fail. What a fail. What was that?
What a fail, water fail.
Careful, not with my... Okay. Yeah, but you see that I always have like this. Anyways, so we look now better, I think. Do we look better now?